Exercise 6.5 question number 2. PQR is a triangle right angled at P and PM is perpendicular to QR. We have to prove that PM square is equal to QM into MR. So given triangle PQR is right angled at P and PM is perpendicular to QR. We have to prove that PM square is equal to QM into MR. So let's start the proof. Here in the question it is given that PM is perpendicular to QR. Therefore, angle PMQ is equal to angle PMR is equal to 90 degree. This triangle PQR is right angled at P. So, angle QPR also equal to 90 degree. Angle QPR 90 degree. Now see in this triangle. In triangle PQM, this angle is angle Q. So, and this angle is 90 degree. So, this angle QPM will be equal to 90 degree minus Q. Angle QPM is equal to 90 degree minus angle Q, because PM is perpendicular to QR and triangle PQM is a right angle triangle. Angle PMQ, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is Q, so angle QPM equal to 90 degree minus angle Q. Now this triangle PMR is also a right angle triangle because PM is perpendicular to QR, so this angle is 90 degree. So now this angle RPM is how much degree? Angle QPR is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree minus Q. QPM 90 degree minus angle Q. So this angle RPM, angle RPM is equal to 90 degree minus angle QPM. This is 90 degree minus angle QPM is 90 degree minus Q. 90 degree minus angle Q. So 90 degree minus 90 degree plus angle Q, so it is angle Q. So this angle RPM is equal to angle Q. Now in triangle PQM and RPM we have in this triangle PQM and in this triangle RPM we have angle Q is equal to angle RPM proved here, proved above. Angle PMQ is equal to angle PMR. (90° each. This angle equal to this angle. Therefore, triangle PQM is similar to triangle RPM by angle similarity criteria. Therefore, corresponding sides will be proportional. So, PM by MR is equal to QM by PM. Sides are proportional. Triangle PQM and triangle RPM are similar. So, we have written their corresponding sides are proportional. Here in this figure, there are three right triangles, and we have proved two right triangles PQM and RPM similar here. So, their corresponding sides will be proportional. So, PM by MR is equal to QM by PM. Now, cross multiply PM into PM, PM square equal to QM into MR, QM into MR. So, PM square is equal to QM into MR. Hence proved.